Oh, what do we have here? So we got this 19-year-old caught at airport with pounds of drugs and luggage and a firearm, and he's a felon. Thank you guys for tuning in, and without further ado, let's get it.
On February 24th, 2025, airport officers were dispatched in response to a call from TSA after a checked suitcase was flagged during screening for an undeclared firearm and suspected marijuana.
He can't be this stupid.
Yes, I'm from here.
Okay. Is one of your passengers?
Yes.
You know their name?
He has a name.
He tried to put it on as a, this idiot.
That's the undeclared, and we're not 100% sure. But,
All right.
yeah.
Lano. So let's go ahead and take that. That's 709. What phone number they have?
What unit number of vehicle do you have? So we can send a picture of the user's information.
This guy can't be too bright.
9564.
My thing is, why would you do this on an airplane? What the fuck? Well, I don't. My thing is, why would you try to bring this on an airplane? Why not just get a car and just drive? You would have had a better chance doing that than this. It's a big ass gun, bro.
7 bags.
Wow, look at all of that.
A lot of marijuana.
Bro must have met the plug.
Who discovered it? Oh, okay. So what happened?
Well, the bag alarmed, and I noticed that the bag wasn't properly locked. So I go in there to assess that. Initial alarm, of course, it was an alarm. It was against our SOP, and we're also looking for a declaration, which wasn't there.
Okay.
And I was looking for the declaration. That's when we noticed these bags.
Why did the bag initially alarm?
It wasn't properly locked.
Okay.
This thing should be locked, and he had like a wire lock, but they weren't. Wasn't locked. Yeah.
No, okay.
No, I can smell it as soon as I walked in here.
See, I couldn't. Normally I can, because I hate the smell of that stuff.
Yeah, as soon as I walked right here, I can smell it, even though it was sealed. Now we just got to identify the guy, and if he says, hey, ain't my back, I didn't do anything, regardless of what he says, what do you think is a good idea for us to do?
Check video. MCR,
So
see if we got him.
we can get, with the back tag, we can see what time he checked in, we'll know how he looks, and then get an MCR to give us cameras, see him walking with the backpack, checking it in.
Using the baggage tag and airline confirmation number attached to the suitcase, officers were able to identify the passenger associated with the bag. With
Look at this stupid ass just sitting there waiting on this flight, thinking everything cool.
assistance from airline personnel, the passenger was located at the check-in counter, where officers made contact.
She has zone 1? No, but she was in zone 1?
Wilkerson?
Yes.
All right. Hey, can you take off your backpack for me really fast?
Boy, your ass going to jail.
Just put it on the ground. Go ahead and turn around.
You're just being detained at this time.
Let him get the cuffs on, and then we'll tell you what's going on, okay?
Well, and this is a federal crime too, because you know, anytime you do anything at the airport, it's a federal crime. So you finna get fed time for pounds, and if this your homeboy, I'd be walking the fuck away.
Help me. Thank you.
709, we got one.
Yeah.
Detained in cuffs. All right, we can go sit over here. We'll grab
Hey, what if he said, y'all? Hey, my homeboy, he got some shit over there too. I would have been ready to fight.
Do you have any checked luggage?
No.
You don't?
That's all my luggage right there.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. You didn't check a bag?
No.
Okay.
How do you pronounce your first name?
Lamont, L-A-M-O-N-T.
And what's your last name?
Wilkerson, W-I-L-K-E-R-S-O-N.
Okay.
Are you traveling with anybody else?
Yes, my little brother, he right there.
Okay. Did he
Why would you say that?
check a bag?
I'm not sure.
What's your little brother's last name?
Same as yours.
No.
He right there. He right there talking to the lady.
Black jacket.
He sound like he from Chicago too.
Match yours.
Sir, are you traveling with this gentleman right here? Are you traveling with this gentleman right here? Yeah. Can we get you to step around the corner and speak with us as well? Go ahead and grab your bag.
What's going on?
You can have a seat. Do you have your ID on you?
Yes.
What happened? Have a seat and we'll explain everything. So this is your brother?
Yeah.
Come over here. Blood related, or how come you guys don't have the same last name?
What? I'm trying to see what's going on though.
Okay. Did you guys check in the bag?
Check in?
Yep. Under the plane.
Right.
Is it your bag or is it his bag?
What? What bag?
The bag that's under
Yes, play stupid, cause that's your best bet, bro.
Wilkerson's name.
What happened though?
Hey. So you didn't check a bag. You don't know if he checked the bag?
Man, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's early in the morning.
Okay.
My mind everywhere now. I'm in handcuffs. I ain't expect all this. I'm just trying to get home.
Chicago's home.
Not necessarily Indiana.
Oh, okay.
We have a bag, you guys, was checked out.
He trying to act dumb. He got that stupid look on his face, like you know how you about to get in trouble when your mama told you to do something you ain't doing. She asked you if you did it and wake you up out your sleep.
Wilkerson's name, okay? That's why we're here. So we're just trying to figure out what's going on, why TSA called us over here in reference to that bag. You have any idea of what I'm talking about?
Okay. That's what I'm trying to see. Like.
Well, if it doesn't involve you, so did you check in the bag? Do you have any luggage under the plane?
Nah.
You don't have any luggage?
Yeah, that's my brother.
So he has luggage?
Yeah, we all got luggage, yeah.
God damn, did he just dry snitch on him, chat?
Okay, that you guys checked in under the plane?
Yeah.
Okay. What bag? Did you have a marking on your bag?
Nah, that's just that flower bag. That's the only bag we check in.
Okay, did he check it in or did you check it in?
My brother, it's not his name.
So why are you flying to Chicago if you're Indiana?
Obviously, they didn't talk about this shit because both of their stories is off. He over there trying to lie, and then the other one's like, "Oh, that's my brother's shit."
I just went down for a visit.
Oh, okay.
I just went down from Indiana. I went to the Midwest, Chicago.
Okay.
Texas.
Okay.
I've been down there all weekend.
Okay. So is there any reason why TSA would have called us?
Bro, you not understanding the scope of things. Whenever you are met at the airport by cops, it is not a good thing.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know. I'm just like, yo, on the phone.
We just have a bag that we're investigating, and we're trying to figure out what's in the bag, why TSA would call us for this bag, and they identified this bag, which comes back to your brother.
My flight's
What's going on? Like, can I get something?
So you're just detained right now. We have a bag under your name, so that's why we're asking if you checked the bag.
Bag under my name.
Yeah.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
He about to say it, telling your ass though, but you should did this alone.
just gonna pay for the
Okay.
Oh, well, do you want to stay with your brother or do you want to go catch a flight? I mean, if you're not saying
Shit, I'm about to go catch my flight.
the bag's yours, I mean it's not yours. If you didn't check it in, he checked it in, then we just gotta ask him some few more questions. So
yeah, what happened?
he said it was a floral with flowers on it. Okay. But they just said they checked in one bag. Okay. Altogether, but it was his bag that they checked in.
What bag the name on it?
His name.
Right, that's what I'm saying. What I got? Oh.
So, I mean, if you don't want to be here, you don't have to be here. So if you didn't check any bags, then we just gotta talk to him. If you said that was his bag.
They said they gonna sit there and say that like that.
Y'all trying to see what's going on?
We have a bag under your name.
You have a bag under my name?
Yeah.
Oh, and it must contain something that it should contain.
Please take the Skylink and head to
I don't know how y'all
gate D6, Delta 6.
I take my carry-on real quick.
Yeah, you can go check your carry-on.
Check this.
Okay, so you told me you didn't check in the bag, but your brother said you did check in the bag. So you did check in the bag?
I haven't checked anything. These are 2 bags I came with, sir. I can't speak for nobody else. That's
Okay.
what I'm saying. These are my 2 bags. Y'all can go through them. There's money in one of them.
Oh, he gonna be ready to fight him when he get done with this.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't know nothing. She just telling me she caught a bag. I don't know. That's my name.
Do you have a time on that ticket? You can call NCR and find out exactly who put it.
Issue date 6:08 a.m.
All right. Let me see the
Man, they thought they was gonna get away with this early in the morning too. Gotta be quicker than that.
No, but his brother said that was his bag that he checked, but he's saying he didn't check any bag. So we're just trying to figure out whose bag it is. Your brother already said it's your bag.
It's my bag?
Yeah, it was a floral bag. He said it was yours. You checked it in, okay? That's where we're at. But then you're telling me it's not your bag. So I got 2 different stories.
You couldn't have said that. So my bag, my 2 bags was right here. These are the only 2
So
bags I
why
came
is it
with.
checked in under your name?
I'm not sure. It's been all type of complications with me getting through. They said I was fraud at first when I came through because my last name didn't say Junior because I'm a junior and it was they was gonna say it was my dad and they weren't gonna let me through with that. I was having a problem with that at first. I've been having problems since I got here at 6 a.m. like 5 a.m. These are my only 2 bags I came with.
I understand. So you're saying these are the only 2 bags you came with?
My only bags.
But your brother is telling us that you checked in a floral bag. Do you know what he's talking about
No.
then? So why would he say that?
I don't know. Y'all go get him. I don't know. But y'all check the cameras. These 2 bags I came in.
So he's lying to us, is what you're saying.
I don't even know what he's told y'all.
I just told you what he told you, that you checked in a floral bag. 1 bag, floral bag, you guys checked it in.
No.
You checked it in, and it's under your name.
I didn't check no bag and I didn't pay for no bag. I didn't do anything.
So why is he saying otherwise?
I'm not sure, sir. I don't know. I don't even know. I'm literally telling you everything I know. To check everything.
Okay, any reason why TSA would call us, the police, to come respond to this
No,
location?
sir, this completely has me in shock. I don't have anything I shouldn't have in either of my bags.
That's what we're doing. I'm going to let you know the process we're doing. We're seeing who carried in that bag and
Yeah, bro, you might as well just go ahead and tell them that it was your bag.
who checked it in. But at the end of the day, the bag's under your name, and I'm trying to figure out why is it under your name.
I get that, sir. I don't understand why it's in my name. There's been a lot of miscellaneous things going on since I've been here to check in.
Yeah, but your brother doesn't work for the airport, and he said it was your bag.
He got a point.
So
where you go?
That boy gone to catch his flight. He ain't dealing with that shit.
he got on the flight.
He's on the plane.
No way.
So he kind of just left you high and dry here. So I mean, if you want to tell us, is it his bag or is it your bag?
It's not my bag. I don't know whose bag it is, but you can ask the lady. I didn't check in any bags.
Okay. The problem we're having is the bag. It has your tag, your reference number on it, that you checked in that bag.
I didn't check in any bag.
And then your brother said it's your bag. So kind of.
I didn't check in any bag. Y'all can check the cameras. I don't.
He described the bag perfectly as a floral bag.
I can't describe the bag to you.
Okay,
Tell you what me.
So why would your brother say this?
I can't believe he said that because it ain't mine.
If it's your brother's bag, let us know if it's your brother's bag.
I don't know whose bag it is. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I don't know. I wish y'all could show me a video of me walking. I'm saying, it's not my bag.
So
They got video now. You don't say that because they got the motherfucking video.
Somebody's trying to frame you then, or
It's something going on. It's been something going on since. That's why I'm getting here late. That's why I'm getting to my flight late because there's been something going on every step to get in here since I've been here, literally.
Did your brother check in a bag on your
That's what
behalf?
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We go out when we start registering for things and put our information in, do our thing. We go to different registers.
So you didn't come in together?
We
is
did
what
come
you're
in.
saying.
We get coming together. He has his girlfriend with him,
Okay.
and we split ways. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
And we handle our business. But if you take the camera, you see how he had those 2 bags. Yeah.
so your brother told us this is the bag, and
Look at that. They had messy, boy. They just sitting there just listening. Y'all see these 2 women in the back? I just paid attention to that. They probably been sitting there the whole video.
it's yours. Now, if your brother just threw you under the bus, I'm sorry.
I don't think he did that because I haven't bought anything. I haven't put anything on this plane.
Okay,
That
well,
bag is not belong to my-
look at it this way. Your brother's on the flight. You're here with us. he gave us all the information we need to identify the bag and link it to a person. The bag's also
So you
linked.
can't tell me my brother linked that back to me because he know that isn't my bag.
He told me directly to my face that was your bag and you checked it in.
Cap.
I would say anymore, since you've actually taken him off of a plane and you've detained him to the point where he is no longer going to get on a plane. I would say if you ask him any more questions, so we have enough voting pass from there. MCR sends a picture. I would not question him anymore.
Nah, all he gonna do is keep denying it. Y'all wasting y'all time and y'all breath.
Because now that the plane is gone, would a reasonable person, so just wait and see if we get the picture.
Are they gonna get the picture?
64. Just follow that man right there. Follow that.
Y'all gotta be dumb as hell to be trying to put pounds of weed in a gun. You can't have both together, bro. You can only have one or the other.
They ID'd him. They ID'd him. So at this point, you have been ID'd as the person carrying the bag in. So you are being placed under arrest. There's marijuana in the bag and a stolen firearm.
Boy, you dumb as hell. You mean to tell, boy, and you a felon.
And you're being arrested before, right? You got a felonies, so you can possess a firearm regardless. So
that's fair time, bro.
Felony possession, okay?
No.
All right, we're done.
I'm gonna have you step down right in front of the car.
All right, so since you have a lot of stuff, I'm gonna do a double check to make sure you don't have anything on you, all right? Mm-hmm. You absolutely don't have anything inside pockets anywhere on you?
Just checking, I don't have anything.
Okay. Because usually some of these jackets, sometimes like this inside pocket.
That's crazy.
No, they're gonna do that at the jail. But if you have anything in your shoes,
yo, that's him right there holding it. Big dumb ass. To the airport though.
Just so you know that we went line to you. That's you pulling the back right here.
He's still gonna deny it.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna get in on this side. Watch your step. Okay, fast.
It don't matter if old buddy told on him or not. Shit, they was gonna see that shit. It's not like it's not cameras fucking everywhere. That was dumb as hell.
Try is to go in with your left foot and just kind of slide in. Watch your head.
When would I get a call?
Once you get in and they process you, you'll have a call. If that makes sense.
Will I get a bond?
It's just some marijuana though. He'll be alright.
They'll talk to you about everything there, okay?
Appreciate y'all. Yeah, appreciate y'all.
You guys better come help. All right, guys.
The man was charged with possession of marijuana after officers seized approximately 10 pounds of marijuana, along
10
with possession of a controlled substance, theft of a firearm, and unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. Approximately $10,000 in U.S. currency was also seized as evidence. Although we were unable to locate any public updates on the outcome of that case, records show that on July 26, 2025, the same individual was arrested in Gary, Indiana, in connection with a homicide that occurred earlier that month. He was charged with murder and unlawful possession of a handgun and was being held at the Lake County Jail at the time of that arrest.
Damn, my boy was a career criminal, whole killer. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Come on, we got to be smarter than this. We cannot be this fucking retarded. To be carrying a firearm when we are felons is just beyond me. And you got 10 pounds of, you know what? And a firearm, and then the firearm was stolen. And it's by a felon. Then you caught a murder and boy, you going to the feds, prison. You ain't going to jail. You going to prison. You know what I'm saying? But thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys want more videos like this from me, click this video over here, or it should be over here somewhere, either side, whatever side it's on. Then the subscribe is on the opposite side. You get what I'm saying? Pin comments. They're gonna be the next video that's coming up after this. On my second page. What else? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and bring everybody in. But I love you guys, and that's it, baby. We out.